Former President Mahinda Rajapaksa visited Basil Rajapaksa at the National Hospital in Colombo today.
Former Minister Basil Rajapaksa, who was remanded until the 5th of May, continues to remain at the Merchant Ward of the National Hospital in Colombo. After visiting Basil Rajapaksa, the former president expressed the following views to the media.
The
Rajapaksas are not thieves. I need to say that and make it clear. These are political decisions. Therefore, take a look at the charges that have been levelled. I clearly see this is an act of revenge. There is nothing more I can add to it.
ඉතින් ඊට වඩා කියන්න දෙයක් නැහැ.